Okay, wow, this one is really new, exciting, amazing feature in Chili Hunter, and I'm very excited about it, and I'm sure you're going to be excited also. Okay, so I clicked on research, and I clicked on sellers, and now I can look for sellers, I can look for my competitors, I can look for other dropshippers on eBay. Okay, so this one is not about finding products, this one is about finding sellers. It is very unique. You can make this only in Chili Hunter, and this is our new feature, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun with this one, and it works very in a very simple way. So let's say I want to look for let's say Spanish sellers. Okay, Spanish people who are selling on eBay, so Spanish sellers who are selling on eBay Germany. Okay, or maybe you want to look for example, we know that Bulgarian sellers or Israeli sellers are doing a great job on eBay, or Greek sellers. Okay, so I can go to Greece, and I want to find Greek sellers selling on eBay US. Okay, then you can filter by feedback score. Maybe you want to find new sellers, or maybe you want to find big sellers. I just want to find all the sellers. The feedback is not important, and I click on run. It usually takes few seconds, and you can see Chili Hunter found a big list of Greek sellers. All these guys are from Greece, and I can see their feedback score, and all these guys are selling on eBay US. Now if I click on seller name, I'm going to see, I can see his eBay store. On eBay I can see his products, and if I click on the spy button, then Chili Hunter is going to run the spy search on this seller, on this guy, and is going to show you all his best selling items. Okay, so it is very easy. Again, you just need to pick up the eBay site you want to find those sellers from. So for example, if you want to find guys who are selling on eBay UK, and you want to find guys from Finland, okay, so Chili Hunter is going to find Finnish sellers who are selling on eBay UK.